Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming system prerequisites for Quick Assist on Windows 10. Make sure both PCs run Windows 10 with updates installed within the last 90 days. Check that the helper signs in with a Microsoft account before starting any session. Verify the recipient uses the correct pairing code displayed in Quick Assist during the session. Open Settings and confirm remote assistance and app permissions are enabled before connecting. Ensure network connectivity on both ends, including ports like 443 allowed through firewalls. If Quick Assist fails, first update the app via the Microsoft Store and install Windows updates. Update Quick Assist in Microsoft Store and install all pending Windows updates. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc then dism to repair corrupted system files. Run sfc and dism commands to repair corrupted system files that block Quick Assist. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus and firewall to test whether connections succeed. Temporarily disabling security software helps identify blocking rules or deep packet inspection issues. For persistent issues, remove and reinstall Quick Assist using PowerShell as administrator. Use PowerShell to remove Quick Assist package and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. After removal, reboot and reinstall the app from the Microsoft Store to restore default files and permissions. Confirm Remote Assistance Group policy is enabled for domain or local machine settings. Confirm Remote Assistance Group policy is enabled for domain or local machine settings. Finally, check the network path and port 443, testing with ping and tracert between both machines to validate connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.